Quite a lot number of people that are using 168A Chinese shopping app to shop, ship product from China with 168A Chinese shopping app are not aware of coupon, and they don't even know whether coupon expire and how to use them and how to find them. If you are the type and you are using 1688 app for a very long time, or you are new to the app, consider to stay tuned to this video and watch from the beginning to the end and see how to find your coupon, how you use them fast from any store on 168A. Take advantages of this particular coupon to buy your product at a very cheap price. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or iDoFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. So after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, before you can have access to your coupon on 1688 Chinese shopping app, you need to update the app to a latest version. If you don't know how to update the app latest version, let me quickly walk you through. For you to update the app, click on here to go to your profile. On getting to your profile, go ahead and click on this setting icon right here from the top corner. Click on that. Then scroll down right here until you get to this particular point right here. Simply click on here. Once you click on here, you will have to download the latest version. As at the time of making this video, I'm using the current version, which is 11.75.0.0. This is the latest version of 1688 Chinese shopping app right here. Once you download the latest version, then you have access to see some of the coupon you have as at the time you update the app. For you to use them, simply go back to your profile. So you will be able to see your coupon numbers right here. Simply click on that. So as at the time of making this video, I have about 14 coupons right here. Now, one thing about some of these coupons here is that if you do not use them, they will expire, because every coupons, they have their time span, as you can see right here. So this store right here, coupon state here is between 2025 June 23rd, 2025 and end 2026 August 31st. So this is a massive coupon, and the coupon reward here is 100 yen. So whatever you buy from this particular store, you are enjoying 100 yen of a coupon on everything you purchase. This is another one right here. This is from 2025 to 2026, and this is almost a year or so. You have a coupon of 50 yen from purchasing from the store. Then another one right here. So continue to scroll down. So if you want to make use of any of the coupon right here, take a look at this particular store here. They have a very cheap, very poor coupon right here. So if you want to use any of the coupon from this any of this store right here, what you need to do is to simply click on here. This simply means that you want to use the coupon. So when you click on it, then it will take you to the sales page, whereby you can make use of the coupon to purchase. You see all items under the coupon section. So any item you purchase from this link right here, you'll be able to use that coupon. For you to do that, simply click on any of the products. Let's say, for instance, I click on this product. You have the product to cart. So you can see a coupon is on the particular product. You can see 5 yuan coupon reward right here. So once you have the product to cart and make a payment on the checkout, you will be rewarded with this particular coupon code right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use 1688 Chinese shopping app to shop, ship products from China, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.